Imagine holding a machine that possesses more raw computing power than a multi-million-dollar server farm did just a few years ago. A machine so quiet, so impossibly efficient, that it completely redefines what we consider humanly possible in personal computing. You've read the leaks. You've seen the calculated rumors. But what Apple has done with the M6 Max silicon isn't just an incremental upgrade. It is a declaration of war on traditional computing architecture. If you think your current setup is fast, or if you believe the gap between Windows and Mac is closing, what you are about to discover will change your perspective permanently. This is the definitive, unfiltered truth about the Apple MacBook Pro M6 Max. For years, the tech industry followed a predictable rhythm. Every 12 months, we would get a 10% boost in single-core performance, a slight improvement in battery life, and maybe a flashier display. We became complacent. We accepted that silicon physics had hit a wall. But behind the closed doors of Apple Park, a completely different strategy was being executed. The M6 Max is not just a chip, it's a massive paradigm shift. It is built on a sub-2 nanometer architecture so microscopic, so dense, that the sheer number of transistors packed into this die defies standard engineering logic. When you first open a machine of this caliber, you expect a certain level of familiarity. Apple has mastered the art of industrial design, but with this generation, the design is merely a beautiful shell for an absolute beast of an engine. The moment you initiate a heavy workload, you realize something is deeply different. There is no stutter. There is no hesitation. There is no audible scream from the cooling fans trying to keep the system from melting down. It handles the heaviest tasks with a chilling, almost eerie silence. To truly understand why the M6 Max is causing panic in the boardrooms of Intel, AMD, and NVIDIA, we have to look at how it handles unified memory. In a traditional PC, your processor, your graphics card, and your dedicated AI hardware are all separate entities. They live on different parts of the motherboard, talking to each other through narrow digital highways. This creates a massive bottleneck. No matter how fast your graphics card is, it always has to wait for data to travel across the board. Apple destroyed this bottleneck by placing everything on a single piece of silicon. The M6 Max features a unified memory bandwidth so extraordinarily wide that the CPU and GPU don't just share data. They exist in the exact same memory space simultaneously. Think about what this means for real-world execution. If you are rendering a massive three-dimensional environment or training a local artificial intelligence model with billions of parameters, a traditional system has to constantly move data back and forth, losing precious milliseconds and generating massive amounts of heat. The M6 Max simply executes. It accesses the entire pool of memory instantly. This allows you to manipulate files and run operations that would literally crash a high-end desktop workstation. But raw power is meaningless if it consumes as much electricity as a household appliance. This is where the true wizardry of Apple's silicon shines. The performance per watt metric of the M6 Max is nothing short of an engineering miracle. Traditional high-end laptops require massive brick-sized power adapters. They throttle their performance the moment you unplug them from the wall, because the battery simply cannot deliver enough sustained amperage without dying in 20 minutes. The M6 Max, however,